guys, I am at the gym right now. I need to get going because my class starts in 3 minutes, but I just wanted to start the vlog. It is Wednesday, October 9th. It's 5:43 and I'm gonna go to spin class. It is seriously so cold out. It says 49 degrees in my car. I threw on two like different types of workout sweatshirts and I'm still like frozen. The heat is on full blast, but I have 2 classes later today, and then tomorrow is the start of fall reading days, so we don't have any classes tomorrow or Friday, which I don't have classes on Friday anyways. But I'm super excited. I'm looking forward to it, but I just thought I would bring you guys along with me for a day in my life today. Okay guys, so it has been quite the morning. I just finished up doing my makeup. I blow dried my hair after my shower. I drank a protein smoothie and it is time to get dressed and then I have to get going. But oh my gosh, you guys, it was seriously the hardest spin class I ever had today. Instead of doing 1 mile sprints, which is usually around 2 to 3 minutes long, we did 2 mile sprints and I just wasn't ready for that. And like, oh my gosh, I was just dying. But it was such a good class. I'm so happy I went. It just kind of kickstarts my day, but I still feel like I need like some sort of caffeine or something to get going. I did go to bed at 1 last night, which was not the most responsible idea considering I woke up at 5. But it is okay. I'm probably going to catch up on some sleep this weekend since I have tomorrow off, and then I just have a 5-day weekend, which is so dreamy. Like next semester I'm going to have to plan to have 2-day weeks. Like that would be so awesome. But anyways, I'm going to get dressed and I'll show you guys my outfit. So this is today's outfit. It is chilly like I mentioned, so I just have on these super cute gray sneakers, some skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Finch, a white Lacoste polo, and then this oversized little zip-up sweatshirt. It's from J. Crew. It's like really old, but it's so comfy and I just love all the gray. And then I added a ton of different bracelets for my arm candy. I feel like this outfit just needed a little bit more pizzazz, but super cute, super comf, and I have 2 3-hour-long classes today. Time to go. I'm gonna be risky and just leave the iPhone charger here. It's fine. I think I have everything. Grab this. Okay, if you guys know, you know. I love listening to this album on my way to school. So I was a little early to get into school and I like searched on maps if there was a post office nearby. So I have no idea where I am, but I am at a post office right now. I sold so many bracelets this week and it's just crazy. You guys are seriously so amazing. So I'm getting those in the mail this morning just because I was so early to get to school. I'm gonna put those in right now. And if you guys want to check out my Etsy shop, it is listed down below. It's super fun. I have so many fun bracelets on there. They're only $3. Check them out. I have some Halloween ones as well, but I'm gonna put these in the mailbox and then head back to school. Oh no. Got here, I'm at school. I'm like 20 minutes early still. Sometimes there's so much traffic, sometimes there's none. So it's just kind of a hit or miss. So I'm just gonna respond to comments on my phone while I wait, just because I don't like being like the first one there. But I'll definitely go in like 10 minutes early, but not super early. I'm back home. I'm at my desk right now. I'm gonna start editing today's video. It's seriously so beautiful outside. I like left the class and I was like, oh my god, it's so nice out. Drove with the windows down and just was listening to Spotify. But I'm gonna start editing and then I have to go for my photography class. I'm gonna run to the bank beforehand and I think that's the game plan so far. Okay guys, we are back in the car. Sorry if it's a little noisy. I have the windows down. It's 62 degrees. It's so beautiful. But I am gonna swing by the bank and then I'm going to my photography class. Oh my goodness, I finally managed to get a video up before 3 p.m. I'm so excited. So that's going up today. It's super cute. I think you guys will really like it, but I need to swing by the bank. The whole time I'm part of this group chat for one of our group projects, and I was just like, I have no idea what they're talking about, but I'm gonna see half of them in this class, so it's all good. But it's been a great day so far. It's just seriously so beautiful, and I'm just so happy and so inspired, and it's just a great day. That's the update. Hey guys, happy Sunday. I totally forgot that I was vlogging on Wednesday and forgot to end my vlog. Wednesdays are seriously so tiring for me. Like, I literally came home, ate dinner, did a little bit of homework, and then crashed. I was so tired, but I had Thursday off, so I was super excited about that. I got to sleep in a little bit, and then I went out with my friends on Thursday night. We went to this really cool parade thing downtown. I will insert some clips so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Really fun. It was like this big light festival, and that was on Thursday night. So then I got home around 2:15. It was just crazy. It was a really fun day. And then on Friday I literally spent like the whole day just doing homework, like writing papers and stuff. I have 2 4- to 5-page essays due, which is so crazy. Both of those are due tonight, so I'm just gonna like finish those up later. But on Friday I did homework, and then I just FaceTimed a few of my friends Friday night. I didn't really feel like doing anything. And then on Saturday, which was yesterday, I had a huge fall photo shoot, uploaded a lookbook, which if you guys haven't seen, I will insert a card. Super fun. And then I just went out to dinner with a few of my friends on Saturday night, and now it is Sunday. I woke up at 10, showered, and then did some homework. I had to read a whole chapter in my photography book, and you guys, I'm not a big photography fan. Like, the class is probably one of my hardest classes. I love the idea of it, I'm just not good at it, and it's just really hard for me to grasp what we're learning about. So like, that's my hardest class right now. So I read it, took notes, and got a 10 out of 10 on the quiz, but I was like really hardcore studying. Then I just got ready, and I'm gonna go take a picture of this outfit. I will show you guys in my big OOTD mirror. My room is kind of a mess. I just kind of been in and out of it all weekend, and all week it's just been like crazy. But this is a sponsored post for Ellie Activewear. You guys know how much I love Ellie. It is an online activewear subscription company. You get 3 pieces for around $40, I think, a month, which is awesome, especially if you're a fitness junkie like I am. And it's this super cute all black set. I love it. It has glitter on it. It's just so cute and so flattering. Has the matching sports bra. Can't really see it in this lighting. Little 1/4 zip pullover. It has this hood. It's cute. The pants have the little pocket down it. It has the little armholes. I love it. But I'm gonna go take this picture outside. I'm hoping to do it on my front porch. Guys, the picture seriously turned out so stinking cute. I love it. It has a little black cat in it and everything. This will be on my Instagram later this week. I am posting a different picture. I'm gonna post one right now actually, and you guys have to follow me over on Instagram to figure out which one it is. Okay, that is done. I posted to Instagram. Now I'm gonna head out to the store. I'm gonna go pick up some protein bars for lunch this week, and just kind of like a quick post-workout snack. So that's what we're gonna do now. Bye, fam. A red light, but it is seriously so beautiful outside. It's like 70 degrees. I'm here for it. It feels like fall, and it's just so nice. I'm listening to Miley Cyrus's new song, Party Up the Street. It is so chill. I love it. If you haven't heard it, definitely check it out. It is on my Spotify, which is always listed down below in case you guys want to check it out. But I'm on my way. I'm going to Walmart to pick up some protein bars because they are the cheapest there. So they didn't have the protein drink, like powder stuff that I bought, so I just picked up a box of protein bars. There's, I think, 5 of them in here, so that'll be perfect for the week. I usually eat those for lunch or just as a post-workout snack. Oh my gosh, my friend is texting me, and I seriously just sent her so much tea. It's good stuff, you guys. But my mom also texted me I love when mom texts you. And she said there's a huge package waiting for me at home. So we're gonna go open that up. And I'm just super excited because I have no idea what it is. And I think that would be fun to do like a little unboxing. And then I'm gonna hopefully get this video up for today just because I don't have a video planned. I have my whole month of content planned, but since I've been so busy this weekend, I didn't get around to filming yet. I need to film today, but this is gonna be today's video. It's going up later, but what can you do? Daily videos, you know? It is around 3 p.m. It was seriously the fastest trip to Walmart. I literally just went in, grabbed protein bars, and left. And there's like no traffic or anything, but look how big this package is. It is massive. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So it turns out it is my JustFab order for the month of October. I got to pick out 2 pairs of shoes from them. They seriously are so sweet, and I will have it listed down below in case you guys want to check them out. But most of their pairs, if you're part of their subscription, which I think it's kind of like the Fabletics, like you don't have to pay for it each month, but if you do, you get like shoes for I think like $40, which is awesome. I know these are both over $40 without the package. I'm not 100% sure of the price. I don't think I have a receipt in here, but their packaging is seriously so cute. It is a pink JustFab shoebox, and these are these little heels I picked up. I have these in hot pink. I love them so much that I thought these would be great for going out, and then like with the holidays coming up and everything, they are just a little black simple sandal heel. These go great with like dresses and everything, and surprisingly I don't have a simple pair of black heels like this. You can't really see it with like my outfit, but it has a little strap. It's so stinking cute. I love them in pink, but I just thought these would be perfect with the fall and winter. And then I also picked up a pair of boots, and you guys, I thought these were so stinking cute. They are kind of more wintry for sure, but I mean it's gonna get cold soon. They are like these oatmeal colored boots. They got like some fur at the top, like they're fur lined, and then that's what the laces look like. I just thought these would be so much fun to style this upcoming fall and winter, and they just kind of remind me of a pair of shoes that I had when I was younger, and I was so excited when I saw them. And I will have everything listed down below in case you guys want to check it out. But that is what I got in the mail today. I am seriously so excited and so thankful to be working with JustFab. It's so crazy to me, and I'm so thankful for you guys for watching my videos and making all of this stuff happen, because without you guys, this probably wouldn't be happening. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But that is what I got in the mail. I totally wasn't expecting that, but I'm gonna edit this vlog, so I'm gonna be ending it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a bit all over the place, but I'm trying to get better at vlogging. I want to try and do another week in my life vlog this upcoming week, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I have been doing daily videos for the month of October, which is so much fun, and I just hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.